Hi guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. This is going to be your weekend tarot reading because I was supposed to get it to you guys yesterday, but I've been slacking on readings. So first card here is Page of Wands, but it's in reverse. But upright, it usually means someone who is kind of contemplating on venturing out and doing something new. Could be moving somewhere else, could be investing in something huge, a new home, a new car, even trying to take risk as far as dating, different things. It can mean all of that. Some of you guys are considering maybe a job in theater or acting, and a lot of you guys want to try modeling, things of that nature, and you guys are kind of like, why not? Some of you guys, it's in reverse because you probably don't trust yourself enough to take this risk, but why not? Some of you guys also are contemplating changing your wardrobe, and it might be for the better. When you look good, you feel good, and you know I'm all about self-love. Some of you guys are very scared at this time to take risk. You have these big ideas, and I always call them million-dollar ideas. But a lot of times I tell you guys that nothing can come into fruition. You can't become a millionaire if you don't take risk. Obviously, a lot of rich people, they take a lot of risk and they don't know if it's always going to be a good thing, but they wouldn't be millionaires if they didn't. But it's in reverse, so you have great ideas, but you have to put them in action in order for them to come into fruition. So if that sounds like you, stop procrastinating. And that can be anything from business, YouTubing, to starting your own business, whatever, investing in something huge, things like that. So Queen of Cups in reverse. So usually upright, this means, usually to me, to be honest, it means jealousy or envy from someone. But a lot of you guys could be getting really good at mastering yourself, believing in yourself. So basically becoming carefree and not giving a fuck what people think. And this could be blocking that energy from affecting you as much. So the more comfortable you become in your skin, the less phased you are by others. Page of Wands again. So some of you guys are definitely coming up here at a time of career change, and this could be very beneficial to you as far as networking. Maybe you do have a business right now, and this job that you get could be really good at networking. So let's say you're a tarot reader, you might get a job at a hostel, and this could expand your business, etc. So something that's going to help you expand is something that you already do, which you really need. YouTubers can also expect a lot of collaborations coming up here that I feel. And the word seminar is coming up. So some of you guys who have platforms and you're activists, people could be reaching out for you to come speak. The Devil. So a lot of you guys need to let go of exes. This always comes up. A lot of you guys have problems with letting go of your exes. Maybe you stalk their social media, for example, and this is causing a lot of turmoil. You have to let them go in order to move on and live your best life. So that means stopping having sex with them, stopping all communication, and whatever. Stop trying to reach out to them or whatever, because if they cared, they would show you. Okay, I'm almost done with this. So Knight of Pentacles is about basically receiving gifts and being open to things coming into the universe. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this reading right now. But again, you guys enjoy your weekend. Good things are coming though. Try to explore, try to be yourself unapologetically. Feel free to look at my Instagram for all free readings, Oshun_the Great. But yeah, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.